Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo video for you today, and it's to accompany one of the listings I have on my Etsy shop for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a horse skin shamanic drum. It's quite a thick skin, and as you can see it's quite full of texture and pattern on the front here, on the head, and it carries on right through to the sides. Lots of multi-tonal effects there. If I turn it over, you can see it's been laced with artificial sinew, which is really strong and also resilient to the effects of moisture, so you don't have as much of a problem as you would if you had skin lacing. So that always helps, especially in humid conditions. It's an ashwood branch handle here, and on the handle I have engraved a pagan priestess design, which I rather love. I've carried that through into the side of the frame there, so that it kind of resonates through the whole drum, that energy of pagan priestess. My maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, and birthed on the 31st of May 2022 in Paris, UK, and that's to enable you to look up the astrological chart if that's your thing, find out what energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed. I'm going to play with two beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are available at checkout as an option if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So here we go. Lovely. And the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision. Find out if this is the right drum for you. That's why I make these little videos, so you can come along, have a listen to the sound. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.